Are you looking for the best way to get paid for house cleaning? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're just starting your cleaning business or you're an experienced cleaner looking to streamline your payment methods, today's guide will walk you through the top ways to get paid quickly, securely, and efficiently. We'll explore a variety of payment options from traditional cash payments to modern digital solutions like Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. Our top recommendations for house cleaners. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of how to choose the right payment system for your business. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll both get $5. Why choosing the right payment method is crucial. If you're a professional house cleaner, you already know how important it is to make the payment process smooth and hassle-free for your clients. The right payment method ensures you get paid on time and keeps your transactions secure and easy to track. It also adds to your professionalism, showing clients that you've thought through every aspect of your business. Different payment methods come with different benefits. For instance, cash is straightforward, while digital payment options like Cash App and Venmo are fast and convenient. Offering multiple ways for clients to pay can make you more versatile and help you cater to a wider audience. But with so many options out there, how do you decide which one is the best? Let's break down the pros and cons of each payment method to help you make an informed decision. Cash, the traditional choice. Cash has long been the most common payment method, and it remains widely used even in today's digital age. Many clients, especially those who prefer straightforward and familiar options, still favor cash transactions. For house cleaners, cash is an appealing choice because it offers instant payment. The moment the cleaning job is complete, you have the payment in your hands, eliminating the need to wait for bank transfers or digital app processing times. Cash also avoids the hassle of transaction fees, which means you get to keep every cent you earn. Additionally, cash doesn't require any technical setup, internet connection, or device compatibility, making it universally accessible. However, while cash offers simplicity, it does have significant drawbacks. Carrying large sums of cash can be a safety concern, particularly if you work in various neighborhoods or travel long distances. There's also the issue of convenience. Like, clients may not always have the exact amount on hand, which could lead to awkward delays. Moreover, keeping track of cash payments can be challenging without a proper system in place to record transactions. This lack of automatic tracking can lead to errors or difficulties during tax season down the road. While cash is a reliable and straightforward payment method, it's worth pairing it with a digital option to ensure safety, flexibility, and better financial management. PayPal, a trusted digital platform. PayPal is one of the most popular digital payment systems in the world, known for its security and ease of use. For house cleaners, PayPal offers a professional way to get paid, allowing you to send invoices to clients and receive payments quickly. Many clients already have PayPal accounts, which makes it a convenient choice. Despite its popularity, PayPal does have a few drawbacks. The platform charges transaction fees, which can add up over time, especially if you handle frequent payments. Additionally, transferring money from your PayPal account to your bank can take 1 to 2 business days. While it's a great option for clients who prefer online payments, it's not the most cost-effective choice for house cleaners who want to avoid these fees. Venmo, a modern favorite. Venmo has recently emerged as a favorite payment option for tech-savvy clients, particularly among younger generations like millennials and Gen Z. Known for its user-friendly interface and lightning-fast payment processing, Venmo offers a seamless experience for both senders and receivers. For house cleaners, Venmo's speed and simplicity make it a convenient choice, especially for clients who are already familiar with the app. Payments are almost instantaneous, allowing you to access your earnings right away. Additionally, Venmo includes social features that some clients enjoy, such as leaving notes, emojis, or even fun payment descriptions alongside their transactions. This lighthearted touch can make the payments process feel more personal and engaging. However, Venmo is not without its challenges. Designed primarily for personal transactions, this app can feel less professional than other payment methods. If you're working with clients who expect formal business transactions, Venmo might not align with their expectations. Another drawback is its default privacy settings, which can make payments visible to others unless users manually adjust their preferences. This can raise privacy concerns for both cleaners and clients. While Venmo is a fantastic option for casual tech-savvy clients, it's best used as part of a broader payment strategy that includes more professional platforms to cater to a wider range of preferences. Zelle, direct and reliable. Zelle is a straightforward payment system that allows users to transfer money directly between bank accounts. For house cleaners, Zelle offers the advantage of instant payments without the need for additional apps or accounts. Many banks already integrate Zelle into their systems, making it easy to use for your clients. While Zelle is fast and fee-free, it does have some limitations. The platform doesn't support international transactions, and it lacks dispute resolution features. Once a payment is sent through Zelle, it can't be reversed, so it's important to ensure clear communication with clients beforehand. Despite these limitations though, Zelle is a strong choice for those who prefer secure direct payments. Cash App, the ultimate solution for house cleaners. Now, let's talk about why a Cash App is the best way to get paid for house cleaning. The versatile app combines the best features of other payment platforms, making it a top choice for both house cleaners and their clients. Setting up a Cash App is quick and easy. You can create an account in minutes, link it to your bank, and start receiving payments instantly. Cash App really stands out for its simplicity. Clients can pay you by using your cash tag or by scanning a QR code, eliminating the need for complicated processes. Standard transfers are free, and even instant transfers come with minimal fees. Additionally, Cash App's built-in security features such as encryption and fraud detection give both you and your clients peace of mind. Another benefit of Cash App to consider is its flexibility. You can use the app to send payment requests, access funds through a cash card, or transfer money to your bank account. Whether you're dealing with a one-time client or a regular customer, Cash App provides a seamless payment experience, offering multiple payment options for flexibility. So while Cash App may be the best option overall, it's a good idea to offer multiple payment methods to accommodate different clients. Some people might prefer the old-fashioned simplicity of cash, while others might be more comfortable with digital platforms like PayPal or Zelle. By being flexible, you can ensure that every client has a payment option that works best for them. And besides, offering multiple payment methods also adds to your credibility as a professional house cleaner. Clients will appreciate your effort you've put into making their experience convenient and stress-free. Plus, having various options can help you avoid payment delays as clients can choose the best method that suits them at the time. Communicating payment preferences with clients. Clear communication is always key when it comes to getting paid. Make sure to discuss your preferred payment methods with clients up front, whether during your initial consultation or when scheduling a cleaning. Let them know about the benefits of using Cash App, such as ease of use and secure transactions. If clients have a specific preference, try to accommodate them whenever possible. It's also quite important to set expectations about when payment is due. Most house cleaners prefer to be paid immediately after completing the job, which helps avoid any confusion or delays. Providing receipts or payment confirmations can also add a professional touch, giving clients confidence in your service. Why Cash App should be your go-to payment method. So at the end of the day, Cash App is the best way to get paid for house cleaning. Its user-friendly interface, minimal fees, and fast processing times make it a standout choice for both house cleaners and their clients alike. Unlike other platforms, Cash App offers a perfect balance of simplicity and security, ensuring that you can focus on your work without worrying about any payment hassles. So with that being said, if you haven't tried Cash App yet, now is the perfect time to start. Setting up an account is quick and easy, and the app's features are designed to make your life and as a house cleaner a lot easier. Whether you're managing a small business or working independently, Cash App is the ultimate tool for streamlining your payments. Figuring out the best way to get paid for house cleaning doesn't have to be complicated. By exploring the different payment methods like Cash, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App, you can find the options that work best for you and your clients. While each method has its advantages, Cash App stands out as the most efficient, reliable, and secure choice. Its ease of use, minimal fees, and flexibility make it the perfect solution for house cleaners who want a hassle-free payment experience. So why wait? Start using Cash App today and discover how simple getting paid can be. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll both get $5.